Are you tired of dealing with wireless earphone battery issues and endless Bluetooth connection struggles? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of wired earphones. No more interruptions, just pure audio bliss. Stick around as we count down the top 5 best wired earphones you can get right now. And hey, if you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, all the links are right in the description below. Plus, for even more reviews and comparisons, check out techiadvice.com. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Starting our list at number 5 is the Amazon Basics USB-C wired earbuds with microphone. These earphones might be Amazon branded, but don't let that fool you, they pack a punch. For just $9.35, you get an impressive set of in-ear headphones designed to fit comfortably with silicone earbuds and removable ear tips in S, M, and L sizes. Wide compatibility is a no-brainer here. They work perfectly with any device, featuring a Type-C audio port from your phone to your laptop. These earbuds promise a balanced listening experience, whether you're jamming to your favorite tunes or hopping on a Zoom call. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price. And speaking of calls, they come with a built-in microphone and control button, letting you manage calls and music with ease. Just a heads up though, the button doesn't adjust volume, something you'll need to handle on your device. Practicality is another win for the Amazon Basics. Their compact design means you can easily stash them in your bag or pocket without worrying about tangling wires. And let's talk about that 4.2-foot cable, just the right length to avoid any annoying pulling when your phone's in your pocket. With over 12,000 ratings and a solid 4.2 star average, these earbuds show that you don't have to spend a fortune to get dependable, everyday earphone. Number 4. Coming in hot at number 4, we've got the SoundMAGIC E11C wired earbuds at $45.99. They're a bit of an investment, but let me tell you, they're worth every penny. The E11Cs deliver refined and accurate sound thanks to their redesigned 10-image dynamic drivers. You'll get a balanced sound image with clear, detailed highs and a warm, textured bass that makes your favorite music come alive. What really sets these apart is the elegant aluminum housing. They're not just durable, they look fantastic too. The sleek, hand-painted finish adds a touch of sophistication, making them perfect for any setting. Whether you're at the gym or heading into a meeting, the silver-plated copper cable isn't just a pretty face either. It ensures high-resolution audio by reducing signal loss. Comfort is king here. The ergonomic angled sound tubes combined with soft silicone ear tips ensure a secure fit that isolates outside noise effectively. And with a fully featured remote and mic, you've got control over your music and calls right at your fingertips. Plus, SoundMAGIC backs these babies with a 1-year warranty, so you're covered for any manufacturing defects. Hands down, these are among the best in their price range. Number 3. At number 3, we have the JBL Endurance Run 2 wired earphones, designed specifically for those with an active lifestyle. Priced at just $14.95, these are a steal, especially given their impressive features. With the flip hook design, you can wear them either in-ear or behind the ear, providing versatility and comfort no matter how intense your workout gets. Thanks to twist-lock and flex-off technologies, these earphones are both lightweight and secure. They're not going anywhere even during your toughest workouts, and they're sweat-proof with an IPX5 rating, so they'll withstand your sweatiest sessions and any weather conditions you throw at them. What's a workout without some motivational beats, right? JBL delivers with their famous pure bass sound, ensuring you get deep, powerful audio. Need to take a call mid-run? No problem. The inline remote with a microphone lets you handle calls without breaking your stride, and a long press even activates Google Now or Siri. JBL's added a clever touch with their magnetic buds, making cable management a breeze when you're not using them. With a 4.5-star rating from over 16,500 users, these earphones are a testament to JBL's commitment to quality and functionality. For under $15, they're a no-brainer for any fitness enthusiast. Number 2. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have the Apple EarPods with 3.5-inch plug. These might look familiar, and for good reason. They're a classic. Priced at $17.99, they offer a blend of quality, comfort, and reliability that's hard to beat. Unlike traditional circular earbuds, these are designed based on the geometry of the ear, making them more comfortable for more people. Apple's engineering ensures high-quality audio with speakers that maximize sound output while minimizing loss, delivering clear and crisp sound whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or on a call. Speaking of calls, the built-in remote lets you adjust volume, control playback, and handle calls, all with a pinch of the cord. Super convenient. Compatibility is key, and these work with any device that has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The integrated microphone precisely captures your voice, making them perfect for phone calls, FaceTime, or chatting with Siri. With nearly 10,000 ratings and a 4.6-star average, these earpods aren't just popular, they're proven. Number 1. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sephia SPI 3060 wired headphones. These earphones top our list for their combination of value, performance, and versatility. For $14.95, you're getting a powerhouse of a product. With 6 different sets of ear tips, these earphones are designed for comfort and a secure fit, and they provide up to 33 dB of passive noise cancellation, making them perfect for any environment. The powerful 10mm neodymium earbud magnet delivers bass-driven audio that's clear and immersive, whether you're listening to rock, pop, or podcasts. The Y-shaped 3.8-foot-long cord is tangle-free and easy to manage, and with noise-isolating earbud tips, you'll experience minimal sound leakage. These earphones are built to last, with lightweight aluminum construction. They're perfect for commuting, studying, or even those long hours at the office. Compatibility is no issue, as they work with any device that has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Plus, Sephia stands by their product with a 12-month warranty, offering peace of mind for any potential issues. With over 36,000 ratings and a 4.3-star average, the Sephia SP 360 headphones are a fan favorite. For the price, these earphones deliver on all fronts, making them the top pick on our list. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 best wired earphones. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this countdown helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Don't forget you can check out all the product links down in the description, and for even more in-depth reviews and comparisons, head on over to techsiteadvice.com. Until next time, stay wired and stay awesome.